and this one. This is transparent table actually. Okay, so demo view, right? Database projection view, projection, projection view. Base table, suppose I'm taking Mara. Okay, so from Mara is not active. What happened to Mara? Yeah. So suppose I'm taking some field, copy, save it, local object, maintenance, read, change. Okay, like this you can give. Okay, basically we will not create for the standard table because standard table will be updated from T code, right? ZMM to ZMM01 and BAPI, right? Standard we can't change it. Suppose there is some custom table, a log table, right? You want to change the status and you want to re-trigger it, right? In this scenario only we can create the view, projection view, database view to maintain, and this view we can give to user, business user, anyone to maintain it, to change the value, to change the status, to correct the value, correct, anything we can do with the view. Okay, so like this, local object. This is projection view. No, maintenance. See here, I think so. Projection and database view is used to only to view, not to maintain anything, not to change the value. We are not doing. If you want to do, then you have to use maintenance view. Yeah, basically in standard table we are not doing any changes. Okay. Yeah, only we can go with like BAPI, BAPI through BAPI and T code, right? Like that. So we are not doing any change. Just this is option is there to display. I think so. This option is given for custom table. Okay. So if you have some custom table, so again the custom table is there. Then we can create the table maintain generator. Correct. Through table maintain generator, we can update and we can use the event. Correct. Here we can't use the event. Correct. So there, that is more useful. That's why we are not basically using it. Okay, I have not seen anywhere they are using, yes, in some purpose to display, only for display mostly we are using. Okay, and I also didn't try and uh, to go with this, and why I'm getting the error. Okay. Read only display allowed. Okay, leave it. Anyhow, we are not going to use projection view. Okay, because we have a CDS view better than that. Okay, maintenance also better to know option is there. Okay, so here also you can give EKKO and maintenance view. So here relationship is also given, how the EKKO table is linked with another table. See here, EKKO is linked with LFA1. Okay, EKKO linked with KNA1. KN for customer, LFA1 is for vendor, EKPO is for line item. Okay, let me check all this. So how automatically it came. Now this maintenance view sometimes useful for this only. Automatically it will link and display you the join. This is the join, and yeah, here automatically we can see all thing is coming. No need to worry about anything. Table view, selection condition. Yeah, table view we have to select. Okay, from EKKO, what are the fields you want? Bookers, BS2, this one, and Lifnar, LGK. Suppose I want this field, and from EKKPO, item, status, material number, LGRT, material group, quantity, this one. Okay, and from customer, I want customer number, customer address, what is the customer name, what is the city, postal code, region, all some basic information I need for the customer. Suppose for vendor, I know I want to know vendor number, there is country, name one, city, district, post office, region, and yeah, nothing, simple basic information I need. Condition, if you want to give some condition from EKKO, suppose for company code you want, for a specific company code you want operator, I want to know for some value, suppose for this only I need value. Okay, maintenance status, here you can see read, change, delete, insert, read and change, read, delete, time specific, application table, and allowed. Correct, maintenance table is used basically to maintain. Yeah, but this is also not recommended for custom standard table. Custom table you can do. Standard table enhancement. Here also table maintenance generator you can create for this. Internal writing, something happened on system or what? Hmm? No, no. This is not. If okay, if I am a system problem, something happened, because if I'm doing something, so read. If it is like that, then read can access, right? Suddenly, what happened? maintenance view. Okay, and let me go for EKKO. This is actually wrong. Wrong it is speaking. Okay, let me create manually. Okay, and let me create manually. So how to create manually? Maintenance view. Okay, EKKO. Okay, Mara. Something issue there is. Now I am not taking key field also. Let me create um, KKO mm, maintenance view. This is the package, and now I'm going to take any package to store. Suppose this package I'm taking to store in this package, create one tr my our first view. Okay, now it is saved. Here is land, here is also land, right? So what I will do, land is called customer, no vendor, right? Vendor name one underscore vendor. Basically this is, we are getting the error if duplicate field will be there, then it will create issue. Name v, name v is also same, right? So v name v1. Okay, so this is the error. This error should display. Okay, but in another system this is not displaying. That's why yes, the display, this it should display this error, right? Here we can able to see the error. What the error? Now here what the value I can give? I don't know what is the value. Let's go to LC 16N and EKKO. Let me take any company 1010. Okay, 1010. Okay, and you can give any other field or condition or and condition or condition like extra. Okay, then good. Now you can display it. What happened? Purpose screen. Create. What is the like? Suppose there is a header and item table, right? So in from the table S11, if you want to maintain something, right, header item both, correct, then you have to create two maintenance generator in SE11 for table level. Okay, but in truth from the maintenance view, we can create one maintenance view and use both table, and you can update and create. Okay, this is the beauty. And here also you can create event, modification event actually. Okay, so this is the difference. SM30. Now you can display it. It will display all the record. Correct. Yeah, this is the name. Okay, like that it works. Yeah, here also event you can create. Table maintain generator is useful to maintain a related table with all other table also. Okay, so yeah, similarly you can create for projection view also for single table, and you can try yourself. Now going to help view. Yeah, EKKO. It is also same. Okay. This is EKKO from KNA1, Kunar, land, name 1, name 2, reason. Okay, selection screen again, EKKO, bookers equal to 1010. Save it. So what is the purpose of help view? Do you know? Hello. Yeah, tell me. Okay, database we implement with the unique view on the database. used to projection view, used to mask out field from the table, used to outline help system. There is not much information. Maintenance of the data. Okay, so where I can show you the difference. Okay, practically I can show you, but I want to know theoretically. Uh, yeah, this is. Yeah, actually, these views are classical view. Right now, we are using CDS view, right? In AMDP Eclipse. That one also I going to explain, and that is very popular. CDS view. There is no like you have to be expert in CDS view rather than going to database view, projection view, maintenance view. But you have to know, right? If any old program, old thing is there, then you have to know like how to migrate, how to move all the view to the CDS view, what is difference in that. So yeah, so database view like combination of table two or more table, and you can display. Projection view for the single database. Maintenance view is to maintain the data for multiple tables for creating the TMG, and you can create the event. Help view is used, okay, while creating your search help. Search help means this one. Whenever you are going to create the search help, right, at that time you can create, you can provide this view. This is the practical scenario. Theoretically I am searching, you can go and search in your GTP. Okay, okay, yeah, possible values. Correct, correct, correct. In the search help, right, it will display in your pop-up screen. For that only we are creating the help view. Okay, so yeah, data is structure. Let me go further. When I'm going to explain the search help, right, at that time I will show you what is the use of demo view, help view. Okay, maintenance view already explained, database view already explained, and projection view is simple one for single database. Yeah, going to data type. Okay, so Z demo, what is the data type? Let me create. What happened? Create. Okay, already exist. Yeah, here data element already explained how to create the data element, right? Table type and structure need to be create, right? Let me go to proper naming convention. Structure. Structure. So here is structure you can select, and you can create my first structure. Okay, here you can define your field like name, type, z. There here you can give data element. Okay, zde underscore name already there. Okay, so age, data type will be ZDE, data element AGE. Yeah, it is not there. So you can go and create data element. Data element. Okay. If you want to create domain age like this, no active domain is created. Let's go to domain to create age of customer. This is case sensitive. This is sign. Sign means whenever you will put sign, right? So minus plus will come. Okay. Minus plus is there an amount field that will going to store. Case sensitive is like a small, smaller is uppercase and lowercase. Yeah. Yeah. So here customer, age of customer, age of customer. So this is our domain. Okay, domain is not activated. And let me activate domain also. Both are activated. Now it will come 3, right? So this is the structure I have created. Only 2 field I have created, activated. Now this structure you can use in anywhere, like anywhere, smartphone, baddies, BAPI, correct, API, anywhere you can use. And if you want to use some internal table, right, like IT internal table, okay, for this structure, then you can go and create table type. Okay, so table type internal table for this, right, customer, customer. So here you can define your structure. Okay, you can use build type also. You can create internal table for character, like character, string, anything. And reference type also you can create. So now I'm creating internal table for my own custom. This one is activated, right? Yeah. Now I have created the internal table. So both structure and internal table and data element we can use in the program at the runtime. Okay. Here we can. This is something grouping. This mostly I'm not. We are not using. Yeah. Sometime already standard is available. You can check. This is types list. Already declaration part is there, right? So no need to again and again declare the type, correct? You know what is the use of this? So ALB, okay, I'm practically I can show you. Right now, today I have explained Tanmay also, but for you people, I forgot tell one thing. This one is why this is Ankur Ankur. Okay, see here. See here, let me comment this. So here what it is declaring the type, correct, of C. Okay, so let me comment this part also. So now I am writing name one, name only, right? I am declaring it and I want to print it. I can print? No. Why? It will say name don't know. Which only it is declared. Type is declared. Okay. But memory allocation is not done. Correct? So yeah, doesn't have value. So now you don't have value also, but you have created the data object of data type. This is the data type, this is the data object. You have created data object for the data type. Now you can able to create, and now there will be error. Sorry, name one, suppose. Okay, okay, see here, now there is no error. Okay, if you are displaying it, it will come blank because value is not there, but you have created the data object. Okay, so now you can provide some value on this. Okay, so right now it is coming Tanmay, correct? So now this type again and again you have to declare in each part, right? So no need to declare it. Now if you are doing right like this, then also you will get error because system don't know what is the name. Is name is there or what? Okay, name is data element, it is already there. That's why it is not. Suppose I am taking something name ABC. It does have anything. See here, there is nothing is there, right? Yeah, so there is no any type for this. So it will give you error. There is no type, correct? Unknown. There is no type, but you are using it. So for this purpose only, we have SAP is created one type pools. Okay, suppose I am going to create Z cust. Okay, creating one type pools is defined. Okay, already there 9. Yeah, यहाँ पे custom customs type. Suppose you are creating some types and these types are used in many places, correct? In many places, in many program, you are going to use same structure you are going to use. You can create your global structure and you can define your type here also. So what I can do, just copy paste here what I have given ABC, correct? Now
सर वो स्पेस की वजह से नहीं हो रहा है ना?
नहीं 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 नहीं, इस पे किसकी वजह से नहीं हो रहा है, लो हटा दिया। इसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होता है। ओके, ये जैसे ना आपका स्लिस अंडर स्कोर, राइट, जैसे स्लिस अंडर स्कोर है, तो वैसे ही इसका आपको इसको कॉपी करके यहाँ पे ऐसे करके अंडर स्कोर डालना होगा। पीटी प्रिंटर हमेशा यूज करना है प्रोग्राम में, नहीं तो अननेसेसरी एस्केलेट होता है। क्या ठीक से तो लिख रहा हूँ? क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा, सेमी कोलन भी देना होता है क्या? सेटिंग्स। Yeah, so types pools we have to create like this only, and then we can use this types pools. There is no syntax error. Okay, when I'm trying to activate it, I'm getting error. I don't know why. Okay, and I think so. Some naming convention is bad. Let me change the naming convention also. 1 second. Okay. SE11. Again, I will create. Um, Suppose like this. Create custom tools. Yeah. Now types z cu9 underscore test sub type C. Suppose here I am taking 10 character. Okay, let me use PT printer. And now it is activated. I don't know why. Okay, then good. Yeah, hello. I think so. Is there should be some space should be there. I don't know why it is not activated previously. Okay, so yeah, now it is activated. Okay, now what you can now you have declared here structure. So here you define uh, type type pool. Okay, this like this. So all the types, whatever you have declared in this pool, right? So no need to declare again in this program. So what you have declared, data sub, not sub, here sub here name, sorry, name. I think so someone is created some data element. That's why it is not giving syntax error. Okay. See here coming, right? Hello. If you will route this right, it will go to pools. Got it? Double click, it will go here. Okay. So SAP only provided some lists, right? Which you can use in ALB report. No need to declare and again in places like for icon, some it will be predefined and data types already declared. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so you got the concept. Previously, you know this concept or like, but you don't know how it works, right? Just you mug up and okay, this is this. I have to do this. Like why we have to do this? How it is concept? Concept you don't know, right? This is the concept. Now you know the concept. Now it will be easy to remember. Correct? If you don't know the concept, then it will 15 days you will forget it. Okay. So this is how now domain do star, yeah, or domain also I have said you, right. um, how to create domain search help, right. So time is going very fast, right. uh, okay. I will take next day only. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.